Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Setting up a new HP printer can sometimes feel tricky, especially with changing technology. In 2025, the HP Smart App is the essential, indeed, the only official method to get your printer up and running smoothly. Gone are the days of fumbling with installation disks or searching for complex drivers online. This updated, unified approach ensures a quick and reliable connection, unlocking all the features your printer offers. It's designed for simplicity. Before you even open the app, a couple of crucial preparatory steps are needed. Make sure your HP printer is fully powered on and successfully connected to your home or office Wi-Fi network. Then, head to your device's app store, whether it's a smartphone or computer, and download the official HP Smart App. It's absolutely vital that both your printer and the device running the HP Smart App are connected to the exact same Wi-Fi network for a seamless setup experience. Once your printer is ready and the app is installed, open the HP Smart App on your device. Look for the Add Printer button, typically represented by a distinct plus sign icon, usually in the top corner. Tapping this button will prompt the app to start automatically scanning your local Wi-Fi network. It's actively searching for any compatible HP printers. Just give it a few moments. The discovery process is usually quite fast and efficient. After the scan completes, the app will display a list of all detected HP printers. Carefully locate and select your exact printer model from this list to ensure you're connecting the correct device. In some cases, for added security, the app may present a numerical code on your printer's small display screen. You'll simply enter this code into the app to confirm the connection. Follow any other on-screen instructions precisely to securely link your printer. With your printer selected and connected, the final step involves completing any remaining on-screen registration or personal preference settings within the HP Smart App. Just follow these last few simple prompts to finalize everything. Congratulations! Your HP printer is now fully installed and completely ready to handle all your documents and photos. The HP Smart App now serves as your central hub for effortless printing, convenient mobile scanning, and even streamlined ink ordering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.